everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from my friends at COOFANDY. They have the best clothes. Most of the clothes I wear are from them. I'm just wearing something else right now, so you can get an idea of what they have here. This one here says it's a button-down shirt for men, short sleeves, and so comes with a little extra button on it here. Somewhere I have scissors. I do. Cut off the tag. There we go. Okay, so you can see the extra button, and this one here, I'll show you the pattern. It's got these little anchors on it. How cool is that? That's super cool, and that's a nice shirt. I got size large, so we're gonna try this on here and show you guys what a size large looks like on Neil. I am about 5'10" and 184 pounds or so. So this is what it kind of looks like here. So you can see the inside is like that. I'll just try it on over my shirt just for fun. Or should I try it without it? I don't know. But let's see how this looks. So this is it. Actually, it's kind of got that kind of cool vibe that you could wear without even, with the shirt under it or something like that. But let's go ahead and button this up a little bit. Totally the right size for Neil. I maybe have even gotten away with a medium. But this is it. It feels nice. I don't know what it's made of. Does it say somewhere here? It does. It is 100% polyester, so it's a polyester blend, so that's good. So or not a polyester blend, it's polyester, so it'll stay in a good shape, which is nice. And you can see it's got that kind of edge, that kind of whatever at the bottom of it, and it goes down to bottom of the back. In the middle, it goes down to the bottom of my butt. On the side, it's about the side of my butt there. I'm about 5'10", I think I said, and 184 pounds. So this is it here, and this is the buttons up here. This is with it open. I can go ahead and button up another button here and have it there. If I really wanted to, I could button it all the way, and it's still gonna fit my big 16-inch neck or whatever I have. So this is a nice shirt, super comfortable, super nice. I like this one here, and I love the little anchors on it, and I love the way these anchors are they're like alternating colors. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like there's two colors. There may be more, I'm colorblind, but this is a nice shirt. Really good, really comfortable, and kind of cool the way it's got that white on the inside. It's just a pattern. Very cool. I love it. Thumbs up.